Hi folks, welcome back to my channel, Blind Leading the Blind. Today we're working on Project YammaMini and we're going to be putting the fuel rail back onto the throttle bodies, having had the union welded into the end of the fuel rail by James at Fast Road Conversions in Ashford. So thank you very much, mate, for doing that. That is a super job, really chuffed with that, and it's got me out of a hole. So big thanks. Right, without further ado, we're going to get on to the fuel rail and put the injectors in the fuel rail first. Right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to get a bit of Vaseline just to lubricate the O-rings to help it go into the fuel rail. The O-ring on the tip of here is essential because that's what stops the pressure leaking, for the fuel pressure leaking past the fuel rail and leaking out and causing a leak under the bonnet. So that's essential. That's going to put a bit around the tips of the injectors the other end, just to help them into the engine.
You got shares in Vaseline?
Yeah, suspiciously good with the Vaseline.
Are all mechanics good with Vaseline or just you?
No comment. No comment. Now 90 degrees, plugs are 90 degrees to the fuel rail. See what I mean? Cool. Right, now let's see if we can get this in there without. What we need to be careful of is that we don't push these rubber top hat seals down inside, but it won't be too much of a drama because obviously they're not connected to the engine at the moment. So let's see what we can do. Right, I've got the fuel rail back on the throttle bodies. I've just pinched up the securing bolts, which is just 2 cap head Allen bolts that take I think it's a 5 or 6 mil Allen key, 5 mil Allen key. That's the fuel union that we had welded in the end by James of Fast Road Conversions. Thank you very much. And just making sure I've tightened the clamps up, which I've done previously in one of the previous videos, and it's just the bottom clamps that we're going to do. I'm just making sure that the throttle cable and linkage works. You can see that from there, can't you?
Oh my God.
See, look down here.
Ah!
So that's full throttle, that's idle. That's full throttle. So that all worked. Right, now over to the engine. I'm doing here is I'm tightening up the clamp on the throttle body, the bottom clamp on the end cylinder. It's very difficult without sight to get the Allen key lined up.
How long is it taking to get this far? I went and did dinner.
About 15 minutes
Yeah.
to get that lined up.
It's only been 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. I can prepare a beef stew fast.
Yeah. That's that for a minute. Now.
You alright?
Yeah, I don't want to leave my Allen bit behind in the...
Nope.
Right, that's that one. Right, now it's the second toughest one, which is up this way. I've got to get in there first. Let me just move these clamps out of the way.
So, being a mechanic then, you're meant to be double jointed.
Yeah, and a contortionist. That's it. Yeah, I should put my contortionist outfit on, shouldn't I?
Is this why you were so skinny when you were a mechanic?
Yeah, because it helps. Yeah. If you're really skinny, you get sent up the truck exhaust pipe. I don't know, love.
You sound just like your dad.
Hello, Dad.
Say hello.
Yeah, just want to say hello to my dad. I learnt all my skills from my dad. And college.
And brother.
And my brother. Well, right, that's throttle bodies on, fuel rail on, start motor power lead back on. So see you next time. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and remember to hit the like button and stay tuned. We're back. See you next time. Bye bye.